I might say something stupid, talk to myself in the mirror, where the clothes is disguise, just to rebound or the body door is open, the rainbow's still outside. I look perfect for the background, I can only sit the one. I go so cold, go so cold. 'Cause I don't know if I belong here anymore. I don't feel like nothing special. I snuck my thoughts out on the lawn chair. Guess I'm the missing player role. Used to lead just for the party, door is open. I'm famous but not quite. But I'm perfect for the background. Comfort in a normal life. I go so